All right, now. Who's all coming out to breakfast this morning? Dylan? Yeah, dude. I could never pass up all-you-can-eat pancakes. Do you think I can get more than 30 this time? I don't know, we'll have to see. Stassi, you coming? Duh. I love going to breakfast with you guys. It's better than going home and practicing martial arts for 5 hours. Great. Tina, you coming to breakfast with us this morning? We can do mimosas. Bottomless even if you want. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to do breakfast with y'all. Just don't ask me about